Hi friends, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this sound error on your Windows computer. You may have this case whereby your microphone is working fine, your speakers are working fine, your earphones are working fine, but somehow there is no sound coming out from your output. So let me go ahead and show you how to fix this. Before this, do like our video and endeavor to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much as you do that. And we proceed. So for this, first of all, you want to go and click on your Windows icon right here. Click on that. Go to your settings. In your settings, ensure to click on privacy and security. All right. Having done that, you want to go down. Go down to app permissions. Then double click on microphone. Okay, so here we have microphone access. Just ensure this is on, toggle on, and you want to scroll down and look for the specific app whatsoever, the one you're using at the moment. Ensure it's toggled on. For instance, if I'm using OneNote for Windows 10, it has to be on, otherwise I don't get any sound. All right. So if you've checked this and you see no fault here, we're just going to close this and we'll proceed to the next fix. Close this first. All right. So just going to come down here, right click on this icon here. Okay, right click on it and you're going to select sound settings. All right. There's another way to do it. You can actually type sound settings here and it's going to pop up anyway. But for this video, I'm just going to select this. So here we are in the sound settings. So this is divided into two parts. You have output and input. The output is basically where your sound is going out from. There's your speakers and your headphones and whatnot. So here you have to check. You have to see that whichever one you're using at that time is being selected. Right now I'm using a USB sound card, and as it is right now, it's selected here as USB PNP sound device. All right. And you have to check the sound volume. Like this one is the volume for the output. So if this is off, you don't get any sound. Ensure this is on and ensure you have the volume right to a very reasonable level. You don't have to turn up the sound so much so to avoid some noise. So you come down to your input and ensure the same thing. As we can see here, I have USB PNP sound device selected as my main. So here again you can see the microphone level is all the way to the top, and while I speak you can see some movement right there. So having checked all this, you notice everything is fine. If that doesn't work, you just go down here and select more sound settings. Just double click on this. All right, so this opens up. Drag it down a bit so you can see what I'm doing here. So while I'm speaking through this USB sound card, and you can actually see this movement, which means my sound is coming from here. For instance, right now in your case, you're trying to use your computer speaker, you're trying to use your headphones, and something is just wrong. So you can see as it is here, up here is disabled. Right click on this, enable it. So once you enable it, you want to go ahead and set as default device. So I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to lose my sound as I'm using the sound card, but you have to enable and set as default device. So this will allow your sound to come out from the particular speaker you selected. All right. So having done that, but you don't still hear anything coming out. The next thing we want to go to is your recording. Okay, that's your input. And as we can see again, my input syncs. All right. I have my microphone as USB PNP sound device, and it's just the same thing here. So you want to look around. You have to see which one. Like let me look up here, and as we can see, it's disabled. So I'll just right click on that and enable it. So for the microphone, once you enable it, automatically it becomes a default device. So right now I'm using two microphones, which is not needed anyway. So what you're going to do is double click on this microphone. All right. Click on listen. Now you have to go here and check this listen to this device. Listen to this device. Okay. Having done that, you just go ahead and apply. Okay. Once you apply, that is done. Apply and close it. I'm not going to apply because I am not using this microphone at the moment. I don't want to lose my sound. So just click on apply and OK, and just go ahead. It should fix the sound problem actually. So I'm going to X this. All right. I'm going to disable this. So if you've done this and you're still having issues with your sounds, you still can't get anything, I'm going to show you one last fix to do this and one more way to do this. So you're going to go down there and type device manager. It should pop up once you type device anyway. Just double click on the device manager. Right here in device manager, you want to go to audio input and outputs. Open this. So we have our speakers, high definition audio device. You want to right click on this and select properties. Okay. Now, as you can see, it says this device is working properly. You select driver, and if this shows rollback driver, you might have to click on that. But since it doesn't say that, we have to close this and right click again, update driver. Then you select browse my computer for driver. And you go down here, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select that and ensure this is checked. Show compatible hardware, then select and next. So you can go ahead and close this. Then you have to go ahead to restart your computer. I hope this helped you. If it does, you can let me know in the comment section. Do like, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.